Welcome to Campustown Ames, a powerhouse of comfort, luxury, and campus proximity. This student accommodation is up and above. Depending on your choice from these studios and 1 to 5 bedroom apartments, you can enjoy a fully equipped kitchen, stainless steel appliances, a walk-in closet to house your style, covered patio or balcony to unwind. And skip those laundromat runs. Facilities are available on-site. With blazing fast internet included in your rent, connectivity is never an issue. Study smarter in the dedicated community space equipped with IMAX and free printing. Then work it out in the fully equipped gym, relax in the sparkling pool, enjoy a soak in the hot tub, or a reset in the sauna. Don't worry about safety. A courtesy patrol officer and private parking are available for you and your wheels. And bring your pod pal along. This place is pet friendly. And Iowa State University is just a stroll away, so your timely arrival to class is effortless. With nearby bus stops like Knapp Street at Welch Avenue eastbound, exploring the city is easy. Come to Campustown via amberstudent.com now.